Trending Alexa ilakad dito po sa Twitter kung saan ay ipinost ng ibang Big Four kasama niya sa rehearsal. Ayon naman kay Alexa, after being Kuya's Gen Z, based every Saturday for PBB Gen 11. Sa I Want ASAP naman ako makikigulo for a whole month of November. Kaya don't forget to tune in. Squad meets. Makikipag-party with us bukas. Alexa Ilacad is and our guest co-host abangan. So ang kasama ni Alexa dito, makikipagkulitan, makikipaggulo ay ang mga Big Four. Kaya naman nag-trending naman si Alexa. Isang netizens nag-post. So cute. Napakaganda kasama ni Alexa. And more on kulitan. At syempre naman, bata pa si Alexa din. Grabe ka talaga, Alexa Ilacad. Super. Yung kayang makikipagsabayan sa mga Gen Z. Mag-manifest. Ikaw talaga ang queen of the manifestation. Congrats, Alexa Ilacad. And whole month of November, nandoon siya sa ASAP for kulitan as a host. So, ayan guys. Excited for this. Yay! Congratulations, Alexa Ilacad. I'm so happy for you, pretty girl, for all these opportunities. Now it's time for your hosting skills to be fully utilized after doing great as one of the PBB hosts and the recently candid season. And also, I want ASAP kami abangan. So, ayan ang update guys. Kaya naman nag-trending ang Alexa natin, and also meron silang simpleng celebration with family ni Alexa, kasama doon si Kiddy.